Lately, all you hear about is AI, artificial intelligence, and how it's going to impact our lives and business. That's why this week, I want to talk about the human element. I don't know about you, but I'm getting tired of talking about and hearing about artificial intelligence. I get it's going to be here for a while. I get it's not going anywhere. I also get that it may replace some job functions that many people do today. However, I also look at it as one of the greatest steps in the evolutionary process of business and just our personal lives. Right? How many people complain today that they have to use a calculator, if they even do, versus doing long division in a notebook? How many people complain that they're looking at a map while they're driving versus looking at Google Maps or the Apple Maps or Waze on your drive? The reality is technology is a beautiful thing because it makes the life experience better. AI is going to introduce efficiencies into the overall sales process that none of us can even imagine yet. That's why here at Flex, when we think about AI, we get extremely excited because it falls right into the heart of what we're doing. Through our community platform, we provide a forum for our membership to come together, collect intelligence, connect with one another, and also access information on investments and business services. What gets us excited is very soon, we'll be able to do that in an automated fashion, where our members will get ideas sourced to them. Our members will see things that could be a potential good fit for them and their business and their teams. AI is a step in that process. It shouldn't be something that's feared. It should be something that is recognized as an opportunity to improve the experience that we all have on a day-to-day basis. As always, thank you and have a great weekend.